Coming back to the activities, good morning everyone. I'm GS Anand, I'm your General Secretary, and the proposal which I have given based on the feedback from various members that we can have picnics, lunch on sessions, pot lunch to start with, and wherever little bit of contribution is required, we'll volunteer ourselves and pay, collect money and celebrate the whether it is lunch or whether it is a picnic or a outing. And many of you have agreed. I have asked if you have any objections, you should raise those objections now. If you raise the objections after the event is over, then it has no value. So any objections any member has, they should be raised. 2-3 areas where the objections have been raised. For example, the birthday celebrations, I wanted that on the birthdays we should give some gifts. People did not agree that it will require a lot of travel, lot of distribution activity, lot of money involved. So all those problems I have accepted. But I am going ahead with the wishes part, which is does not require any cost. At the same time, another areas where the approval was not there, in some of the cases I'm not able to recollect now, but one or two areas list updation, there was a problem. Some members wanted that those who are 90 plus age, we should leave them, ignore them, but they are the people who need you more. Those who are lonely, those who are alone, need more help. So we should find ways to help those people and let them uh, get a realization that someone is with them. So there also I am not agreeing with the opinion. So if you don't agree, you should raise the objections. And then if you are on WhatsApp and you are posting, you have time to post other posts, but you say that I have not read, I am not aware, I am not on WhatsApp. Some of the phones, they do not have the incoming calls. So those are not excuses for not communicating the process. I have communicated to the best of my knowledge. There is no paperwork involved in this. I am just sending the messages through WhatsApp, my videos and audios and other means without the use of paper. I am not habitual of writing letters and sending you, because that will involve costs, that will involve travel, that will involve efforts. But then the use of technology, the reach is easy. And if you say that I have not heard, I have not read, I am not aware of WhatsApp, I don't have phone, I don't have internet, so those things are not the excuses. If majority of you is aware of those things, if majority of you is using WhatsApp, if majority of you is sending the post, then not listening to this messages is not an excuse. So if I do not get any objections, I'll assume that the approval is given by the majority of the people, and this will form part of the constitution implementation. So you cannot say that you have not followed the constitution, you have not communicated properly, you have not given us the time. So I am giving time, I am following the constitution, I am giving the messages, and since there are no objections, I am assuming that the things have been approved. Whatever proposals I have given, they have been approved. I'll make a list of things which are not approved and try to convince and get approval from the majority of the people, majority of the members, major part of the house. So now we are proceeding for the next meeting in the month of December, which will be lunch meeting or without lunch meeting, we will decide later. That's all from my side. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, and now the secretary of the Retired Persons Association and the Z Block Association combined. Signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.